Welcome to chemistry classes. In this video, I am going to discuss about intermediate first year chemistry topic, atomic structure. In atomic structure topic, I am going to discuss about fundamental particles in EAPCET, JEE mains and NEET point of view. So ante ఈ నీట్ ఎప్సెట్ లేదా జేఈ మెయిన్స్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూలో అటామిక్ స్ట్రక్చర్ లోని ఈ ఫండమెంటల్ పార్టికల్స్ అన్నటువంటి కాన్సెప్ట్స్ మీద బిట్స్ ఏ విధంగా వస్తున్నాయి అన్నటువంటిది ఈ వీడియోలో చూడబోతున్నాం. ఇంతకు ముందు వీడియోలో మనం బోర్స్ అటామిక్ థియరీ మీద చూసాం, హైడ్రోజన్ స్పెక్ట్రమ్, అలాగే క్వాంటమ్ నెంబర్స్, డి బ్రోగ్లీస్ డ్యూయల్ నేచర్ ఆఫ్ మ్యాటర్ మీద చూసాం, అలాగే హైసెన్బర్గ్స్ అన్సర్టనిటీ ప్రిన్సిపల్ మీద చూసాం. ఈ వీడియోలో మనం ఫండమెంటల్ పార్టికల్స్ ఇన్ అటామిక్ స్ట్రక్చర్ టాపిక్ లోని ఫండమెంటల్ పార్టికల్స్ మీద బిట్స్ ఏ విధంగా వస్తున్నాయి అన్నది చూడబోతున్నాం. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్ త్రినాథ్ కెమిస్ట్రీ క్లాసెస్. ప్లీజ్ లైక్ ద వీడియో, షేర్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ ది ఛానల్. మ్యాటర్ గురించి, వాట్ ఈస్ అ మ్యాటర్? మ్యాటర్ మీన్స్ ఎనీథింగ్ విచ్ హ్యాస్ అ మాస్ అండ్ ఆక్యుపై స్పేస్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ మ్యాటర్. ఎనీథింగ్ which has mass and occupy space is called matter. So in order to know about the matter, అంటే మనం మ్యాటర్ గురించి తెలుసుకోవాలి అంటే కనుకంటే యాటమ్ గురించి తెలియాలి. సో ఈ యాటమ్ అన్నటువంటి కాన్సెప్ట్ ని తీసుకొచ్చింది ఎవరు? డాల్టన్స్ అటామిక్ థియరీ. సో అకార్డింగ్ టు డాల్టన్స్ అటామిక్ థియరీ, atom is the smallest indivisible part of matter. సో అంటే మ్యాటర్ ని కనుక డివైడ్ చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్తే కనుక స్మాలెస్ట్ ఇండివిజిబుల్ పార్ట్ ఎవరి నుంచి వస్తుంది? యాటమ్. స్మాలెస్ట్ ఇండివిజిబుల్ పార్ట్ ఎవరని తెలుస్తుంది? యాటమ్. సో మనకి యాటమ్ ఇస్ ద స్మాలెస్ట్ ఇండివిజిబుల్ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ది మ్యాటర్. బట్ later on experiments found that atom consists of some subatomic particles such as proton, electron and neutron. Not only these three particles, there are several particles like muons, mesons, several particles are there, but subatomic particles are, these are also called as fundamental particles. So ఈ ఫండమెంటల్ పార్టికల్స్ మీద మనం కొంత బేసిక్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ తీసుకుని ఆ బేసిక్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ మీద బిట్స్ ఎలా అడుగుతున్నాడు అన్నటువంటి కాన్సెప్ట్ ని ఇప్పుడు చూడబోతున్నాం. సో we know that electron was discovered by J.J. Thomson. Electron was discovered by J.J. Thomson in cathode ray experiment. Electron was discovered by J.J. Thomson in cathode ray experiment in a discharge tube. Electron was discovered by J.J. Thomson in cathode rays experiment in a discharge tube. And these cathode rays are formed. These cathode rays are formed in a discharge tube. At high voltage, around it is 10,000 volts, and at a low pressure. These cathode rays are formed in a discharge tube at high voltage and at low pressure. So electron is the lightest fundamental particle. And is also known as beta particle. Electron is the lightest fundamental particle and is also known as the beta particle and is also known as the beta particle. And charge on these electrons. Charge on the electron is 4.8 into 10 to the power of minus 18 electrostatic units. 10 to the power of minus 10 electrostatic units. Charge on electron is 4.8 into 10 to the power of minus 10 electrostatic units, or 1.602 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulombs. This is minus 4.8 into 10 to the power of minus 10 electrostatic units, or minus 1.602 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulombs. And mass of electrons. Mass of electron is 1 by 1837 times of the mass of hydrogen. Mass of hydrogen atom. Mass of hydrogen atom. Mass of electron is equal to the 1 by 1837 times of the mass of hydrogen atom. So which is equal to the 9.1 into 10 to the power of minus 28 grams, or 9.1 into 10 to the power of minus 31 kilograms. So 9.1 into 10 to the power of minus 28 grams, or 9.1 into 10 to the power of minus 31 kilograms. So mass of 1 mole of electron. Mass of 1 mole of electrons. So we know that 1 mole corresponds to the Avogadro number. It is equal to the 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. So is equal to the, is around 0.55 milligrams. 0.55 milligrams. So mass of 1 mole of electrons. 1 mole of electrons is equal to the 0.55 milligrams. So here, the whatever energy, the energy of electron, which is not influenced by magnetic field. Not influenced by magnetic field. So energy of electron was not influenced by magnetic field. Magnetic field. And the specific charge. Specific charge means E by M. E by M of electron is. E by M of electron is. It is equal to the around 1.7588. 1.7588 into 10 to the power of 11 coulomb per case. Coulomb per case. So this specific charge, E by M value of electron is constant. This electron is constant and is equal to 1.7588 into 10 to the power of 11 coulomb per kg. Coulomb per kg. Right? This charge of electron, whatever charge, this is whatever I told, minus 1.602 into minus 10 to the power of minus 19, was discovered by Millicon. Was discovered by Millicon's oil drops experiment. The idea was discovered by Millicon by using its oil drops experiment. Oil drops experiment. This is regarding electrons. Sorry. Next one is protons. So we know that proton was discovered by, which was discovered by Goldstein. Goldstein in canal race experiment. In canal race experiment. In canal race experiment. Then the properties of the, next point is properties. Properties of the canal race. Canal race or characteristics characteristics of gas, the gas taken in the discharge tube. Discharge. So the properties of the canal rays. Canal rays are characteristic of the gas taken in the discharge tube. So canal rays consists of canal rays. Canal rays contain positively charged ions. Positively charged ions of gas present in the discharge tube. So the canal rays contain positively charged ions of gas present in discharge tube. The smallest positively charged particle is called proton. The smallest positively charged particle, that one we are calling it as the proton. The smallest positive charged particle is proton, and the mass of proton is 1.008 atomic mass units. Atomic mass units are 1.672 into 10 to the power of minus 27 kg, or 1.672 into 10 to the power of minus 24 grams. And the charge on electron is, we know that proton is the positively charged particle. Charge on proton is, this is plus 4.8 into 10 to the power of 10 ESU, or plus 1.602 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulombs. So here E by M ratio of anode rays, depend on the nature of the gas. Taken. So in electrons, I told E by M doesn't depend. E by M of electron is constant. E by M ratio of electron is constant. But E by M ratio of anode rays depend on the nature of the gas taken. Third fundamental particle is neutron. Neutron was discovered by Chadwick. This is the first point. Then neutron will be formed by neutron. It is denoted with 0 N1. So neutron is formed by bombarding beryllium, bombarding the beryllium or boron with helium particles, alpha particles. So alpha particle means 2He4. This is called alpha particle. So when neutron will be formed by bombarding the lighter elements like beryllium or boron with alpha particles. And you know that neutron has no charge. And mass of neutron is 1.675 into 10 to the power of minus 27 kg, or 1.675 into 10 to the power of minus 24 grams, or which is equal to 1.00866 AMB. So this is regarding neutron. So neutron is the heaviest particle among these fundamental particles, protons and neutrons. So atom consists of several fundamental particles. Among those several fundamental particles, heaviest particle is the neutron. Now let me discuss how bits are going to ask in this concept of fundamental particles. So the first one is the increasing order of the increasing order of E by M values. E by M value for electron, proton, neutron, and alpha particles. The increasing order of E by M value for electron, proton, neutron, and alpha particle is options given as E, P, N alpha, B, N, P, E alpha, C, N, P alpha, E. Then the last one is N alpha, P. Right? Increasing order means we have to put from smallest to largest. Sorry, smaller one to bigger one. Right? So here E by M, we know that mass charge of neutron is 0. 0 by M is, so the light E by M for neutron is 0. Then among alpha and protons and electrons. Right? So we know that alpha particle is the heaviest particle. That's why the next one is alpha, next one is the proton, next one is the electron. So E by M of neutron is less than alpha particle, which is less than proton, which is less than electron. So E by M is greatest for electron and lowest for which particle? Neutron. This is the one bit. Next one is. So correct answer is here is D. Next one is, which of the following is not a fundamental particle? Which of the following is not a fundamental particle? So options were given as proton, B, neutron, C, electron, and D, alpha. So just now I discussed fundamental particles means protons, neutrons, electrons are the fundamental particles. Here, alpha particle is not the fundamental particle. Alpha particle is not the fundamental particle. So that's why that is the answer. Next, third one is the E by M of electron is. E by M of electron is. Just now I have discussed its value is 1.78 into 10 to the power of 8 coulomb per gram. 1.78 into 1.78 into 1.78 into 7578 into 10 to the power of 8 coulomb per gram, or 1.78 into 10 to the power of 11 coulomb per kg. So I am not discussing options here. This straight away bit the E by M of electron is. Similarly, the E by M of proton is. The E by M of proton is. E by M of proton is. Its answer is 9.57 into 10 to the power of 4 coulomb per. 9.57 into 9.57 into 10 to the power of 9.57 into 10 to the power of 4 coulomb per gram. So in this way, bits can be asked from these fundamental particles. Thank you for watching Trinath chemistry classes. Please like the video, share and subscribe the channel. So meeku ee concepts paranga ఏ విధమైన డౌట్స్ వచ్చినప్పటికీ కూడా కామెంట్ సెక్షన్ లో మీరు ఫలానాది అని బిట్ గాని మీరు టైప్ చేసి పెడితే కనుక డెఫినెట్లీ అట్ ది ఎర్లియస్ట్ I will try to respond. Thank you for watching Trinath chemistry classes.